The best shower curtain rods that stay strong. Whether you have a bathtub or a shower area, water dripping and spreading to the whole bathroom can be cumbersome to dry and clean. So, here's our list of the best shower curtain rods to help you keep your bathroom clean. Shower curtains can help limit the splash and spread of water when you're taking a bath. Shower curtain rods allow you to hang a curtain easily without drilling holes in the wall. They should be strong enough to carry the weight of the curtain. With various sizes and designs available, choosing the right shower curtain rod may be challenging. So, go through the listed products and features to make an informed choice. Number 1. Best rust-resistant. IDesign Cameo Adjustable Curtain Rod. Here's a versatile and functional curtain rod that is perfect for use in bathrooms, shower stalls, and bathtubs. The matte black color matches well with almost any color scheme and decor style. To install, simply twist, extend, place into position, and tighten, and your curtain rod is ready for use without any additional hardware. This curtain rod is adjustable from 43 to 75 inches. Making it ideal and convenient to use in multiple locations in your home. What we like. Quick and easy installation. Coated, non-slip rubber feet. Durable and stylish. Rust-resistant steel construction. What we don't like. Some might find the weight of this curtain rod a bit light. Number 2. Best non-corrosive. Teeck Shower Curtain Rod. Stylish, versatile, and durable. This curtain rod ticks all the right boxes. Made from premium stainless steel and featuring a subtle silver color, this curtain rod has an adjustable length of 50 to 91 inches. It can be used in multiple house areas, like the living room, bathrooms, bedrooms, and balconies. This product is rust-resistant, keeping safety and reliability in mind, and can be installed easily without additional hardware, tools, or drilling. Whether it's an essential shower curtain or a gorgeous drape you want to showcase, this metal rod is a great option. What we like. Built-in high-pressure spring to prevent slipping. Silicone non-slip chassis. Weight capacity of up to 22 pounds. Non-corrosive and easy to clean. What we don't like. Some might find the center of the rod is prone to a slight bend. Number 3. Best easy installation. PrettyHome Adjustable Curved Shower Curtain Rod. If you're looking for the ideal shower rod for your curved shower space or your stylish rounded bathtub, your search ends here. Made of high-quality aluminum, this unique rod can be expanded and adjusted to match your specific bathroom layout, and provides up to 9 inches of extra elbow room and shower space. The curved design sweeps around your bathtub, maximizing space and ensuring a more pleasurable bathing experience. This product comes with screws and mounting brackets for a secure, permanent solution to your styling needs. What we like. Adjustable from 38 to 72 inches. Easy installation. Durable and long-lasting. Rust-resistant. What we don't like. Some might find the finish of this shower rod a bit shiny. Number 4. Best lightweight. Zenna Home Double Curved Shower Rod. Here's an innovative design that comes with 2 curved rods, one for your shower curtain and the other to hang your towels, clothes, and other items at your convenience. Strong and lightweight. This dual curtain rod is made of high-quality aluminum and has a beautiful rich chrome finish that complements most bath decor and hardware choices. The innovative curved design helps maximize space and provides valuable extra elbow room. This product comes included with mounting hardware and easy instructions, making this a convenient and secure choice. What we like. Rust-proof with a lifetime guarantee. Easy to install. Long-lasting and durable. Adjustable from 45 to 72 inches. What we don't like. Some might find that the caps covering the mounting brackets are a bit flimsy. Number 5. Best functional. HabiLife Shower Curtain Rod. This attractive and reliable shower curtain rod is made of stainless steel and features constant tension technology to eliminate damaged bathroom walls, while keeping your bathroom space both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Easy to install without the use of tools or unnecessary drilling. This shower curtain has rubber caps to ensure your tiles and walls remain scratch-free and without marks. What's more, this curtain rod can also be used in your kitchen, wardrobe, and living space, making it a versatile and convenient option. What we like. Non-corrosive and easy to clean. Can hold up to 20 pounds of weight. Adjustable length. Rust-resistant. What we don't like. Some might find that the finish is not very polished. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.